Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Hustle. Today, we bring you a critical warning from UK authorities regarding a cryptocurrency platform called Coscoin. Reports have emerged of a $215,000 scam, leaving investors in distress and prompting law enforcement to take action. A recent BBC report exposed the troubling operations of Coscoin, highlighting the platform's promises to double investments. However, numerous complaints have surfaced across the UK, with investors unable to retrieve or access their funds since late November. In Northeast England alone, 78 individuals reported combined losses of £214,169, averaging around £2,900 per person. The Northeast Regional Organised Crime Unit has stepped in, suggesting that Coscoin exhibits characteristics of a Ponzi or pyramid scheme, especially in its recruitment-focused operational structure. This has raised serious concerns among authorities. Detective Inspector Paddy O'Keefe from the Economic Crime Division has issued a cautionary statement. He advises the public to be wary of overly lucrative offers and warns against falling prey to new scams targeting previous victims who are promised recovery of lost investments. This advice is crucial to prevent further losses in similar fraudulent schemes. The impact of the Coscoin scam is not just financial, it's personal. We spoke to a former Nissan employee who left his job to manage a cryptocurrency app WhatsApp group. He shares how he felt manipulated into being a puppet for Coscoin, reflecting the broader impact of this scam on the community. As the situation unfolds, authorities are urging anyone who believes they have been a victim of this scam to report it to Action Fraud. This step is crucial for the police to gather intelligence and prevent similar frauds in the future. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, it's essential to stay vigilant. If you or someone you know has fallen victim to the Coscoin scam, don't hesitate to report it. Let's work together to protect our community from fraudulent schemes. Thank you for joining us today on the Crypto Hustle. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.